puppies are 4 weeks old now. A couple of them are eating regular dog food, and one of them's walking in regular dog food. They're definitely interested in that. How much they're eating, they still are nursing.
Oh, that puppy is nursing. I like the baby puppy. He's kind of cute. The little puppy is.
Turn off the other noise. I don't like the surface in here. A little slicker and colder than what they've been used to. This is the biggest of the male puppies. He's the lightest one. He's also the loudest one. He might be his mom's favorite. Definitely gets plenty to eat. Come here, Bubba.
What's his name?
Hey, pup.
He's kind of cute.
Little girl with the collar on has been reserved.
This is
Well socialized. Who are these guys, Ray Ray? Who are they? Is it the puppies?
I don't like this
That one puppy. This one's just crying for his mom, huh, Ray Ray? Don't hold this one, sweetie. Hold on to that guy. Hold on to this one. Can you pick him up?
I love him.
Be nice with them.
I love that dog.
They're nice. Be careful, sweetheart.
Puppy.
Really careful.
I love that puppy. I love those puppies.
Me too, Bubba. They're nice pups.
Yeah. And they.
What, sweetie?
And that one is the loudest.
It's a nice boy.
Yeah, I like the blue one. And the white likes the yellow one.
Oh, she does?
Yes. I love the blue one. He likes me.
Careful, we touch puppies really nice, okay?